Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. See, last class we discussed what is the definition of set. Okay. See, we know that set is a collection of well-defined objects. Set is a collection of well-defined object. For example, if you take collection of all natural numbers is well-defined. Correct. Therefore, we say that it is a set. For example, if you take a good cricket players, that is not a set because it is not well defined. Last class we discussed. Okay, based on that we have solved some examples are also. Okay, now see what is the definition of set? Set is a collection of well defined objects. Okay. And some important sets. I will you just check one by one. First, the capital letter N. This capital letter N represents set of all natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, that. What it is? Set of all natural numbers, or another name we say that positive numbers. Okay, please remember that. And they are well defined. Everyone saying positive numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Continuation. Okay, please remember that set is a collection of well-defined objects, and that collection we can enclose by the brace or a bracket. And sets are usually denoted by, just concentrate, sets are usually denoted by capital letters L. Okay, A, B, C, D, like this. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D. And members of the sets are denoted by small letters. Okay. This is set of all natural numbers. Next, we will take I or Z. This I or Z represents set of all integers. Okay. I or Z. That is 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, like that. Okay? I or Z represent set of all integers. Next, Q represents set of all rational numbers. Set of all rational numbers. That is in the form of P by Q, condition Q not equal to. Okay. Next, R represents set of all real numbers. And that is equal to. We can say that this is equal to what? Real numbers are nothing but it contains natural numbers, set of all integers, rational numbers. All the three it contains. Okay, that one we say that set of all real numbers. Next, C. We say that it is set of all complex numbers. And I will give in the next chapter, that is set of all complex numbers. Separate topic is there. I will teach you after completion of sets, relation and functions. Okay. Next, just concentrate. These are usually used in mathematics. N, set of all natural numbers. I or Z represents set of all integers. Q represents set of all rational numbers. R represents set of all real numbers. C represents set of all complex numbers. Please remember that collection is not necessarily set. Remember that collection is not necessarily set. See, every set is a collection, of course. Every set is a collection, but collection is not a set. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನು? ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಹೌದಾ? ಎವ್ರಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಟ್. ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ನಾವು ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಹೌದಾ? ಎವ್ರಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ collection, but collection is not necessarily set. Understood or not? Every set is a collection. Ella set anu navenanthivi collection of well defined objects anthivi, but that collection itself is not a set. Why? If I take good cricketers, all good cricket players in India, some are saying the ABCD persons, another are saying XYZ persons. Therefore we can't say that particularly these persons are a good cricket players. Therefore the collection is not a set. Please remember that collection is not a set, but every set is a collection. Every set is a collection. Okay, please remember that. See, another one example if I take set A. This is A, E, I, O, U. Nothing but what? These are set of all vowels in the English alphabet. Set of all this A we can represent X such that X is a vowels in the English alphabet. Okay. Next, here the elements, just concentrate, elements present in this set A, E, I, O, U. Please just concentrate. All the elements are in the small letter. Please remember that. If a set which contains the elements are in the form of word, always we consider in the form of small letters. But the collection of that set we represent in the capital letters. Members are represent small letters. The collection of set represent capital letters. This is the difference. Okay? Understood? Next, just concentrate. If I say that A is, see, A is, A, the small letter A, is in A. Means this element A present in the set A. E element A adala idrolagada A is in A. That can be represented in set. We say that A belongs to A. A belongs to A. The notation of belongs to, you can write this one as like this. A belongs to A. A belongs to A means A is in A. Okay. Next, another one I will take. C. C is not in A. Correct. Is there C here? C is not in A. Means C does not belongs to A. C does not belongs to A. C does not belongs to A. Means this implies C not belongs to A. This implies C not belongs to A. A is in A. ಅಂದರೆ A ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ A ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೊಳಗೆ A ಒಳಗದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ belongs to. belongs to notation ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ belongs to ಓಕೆ ಇದ್ರ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ if I take E belongs to A. You can say that. C is not in A. C is not. C is not in A. Means C does not belongs to A. Means see, I will take H. Is H present in A? No. Therefore, we can say that H does not belongs to A. This is how we can represent in symbolic representation. Okay. This is next. See, A is A, E, I, O, U. We consider set, and that can be represented in the form of word, that is X, such that X is a word in the English alphabet. Next, another one set I will take B. Just concentrate. B. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. That's it. Okay. This can also be represented in the form of, just concentrate, X such that X is a multiple of 3. X is a multiple of 3. Just concentrate. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Next, this is 18. Means it is a multiple of 3. Nodri, 3 6 9 12 15. You know, just like this is shortcut now to X ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ X ಇದೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, X ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತೀವಿ. 6 is a multiple of 3 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. 12 ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತೀವಿ. 12 is also multiple of 3. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು X ಅಂತ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡೇವೆ. X such that X is a multiple of 3. ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ ನಾವು ಬರೀಬೋದು. Next, another one is C, that is, just concentrate, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, dash dash dash. Okay, and this can be represented C in the form of X such that X is equal to n square, where n belongs to n in short form. N belongs to n. Do you understand? See, n belongs to n. Just now I explained. N means positive numbers, natural numbers. Positive numbers, natural numbers are always starts from n equal to what? 1, 2, 3, dash dash dash. It starts from 1. Therefore, starting element is 1 square. Second element is 2 square. Third element is 3 square. Means this, instead of writing this lengthy process, we can write within 1 step. Okay, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋದ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ನಾಗ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ದ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್. See, there are two types of representation of set. There are two types of representation of set. One is roster form. Or we can also say that tabular form. Roster form or tabular form. Second one is called as set builder form. Okay, set builder form. Okay, these are the two types in set. First one is roster form or tabular form. Another one is set builder form. The definition of roster form. In roster form, all elements are listed. All elements are listed. Okay. In set builder form, all elements elements possess single common property. Single common property. Single common property. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎ ಇ ಐ ಓ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೇವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೇವಿ ಬೈ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್. ಸಿ ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್ and they are separated by commas. Here also same, all elements are listed and they are separated by commas. These are called if all elements are listed, such type of sets we call it as roster form or tabular form. Did you understand? Okay, these are roster form. Next, just concentrate. A, E, I, O, U. Within one word, we return X such that X is a vowels in the English alphabet. Yes or no? All elements possess a single common property. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯುವಂಥ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಬರೋದು ಸಾಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್. ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್. If I say within one word, in that word it holds good all the vowels or all the multiples of 3 we can write directly. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ನಾವು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಏನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅದ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟರ್. ಹೌದಾ? Therefore we can say that this one we call it as set builder of. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವೇನು ಕಾಮಾ ಹಾಕಿ ಏನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ನ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಓವರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ alphabet. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪೊಸೆಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ set builder form. Okay, did you understand the difference between the roster form and set builder form? See, in roster form, please concentrate, in roster form the collection of sets are represented and they are listed and they are separated by commas. Okay, but in set builder form all elements possess a single common property. Within one word it says the whole idea. Okay, this is the difference between roster form and set builder form. roster form ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ x such that x equal to x square n belongs to n. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಟ್ n1 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಹಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಹಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಹಿಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ವರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ಒಂದೇ ವರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೇನಂತೀವಿ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, see, in a roster form, just now I explained, all elements are listed. All elements are listed. For example, if I take a set A, vowels in the English alphabet, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and this can also be written as that A, E, I, U, O, A. It is not compulsory. We have tried in the A, E, I, O, U. We can write E, R, U, O, A or R, U, O, A. Means the pattern is not compulsory. Whatever may be the pattern, if elements are correct, then we can say that which form it is roster form. Understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅದಾವ ಇವಾಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬೇಕಂತೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ another one example is that A, S, C, H, O, O, L means it is school. Correct. See here, O how many times exists? 2 times. In roster form, we can't write 2 times. We can write it is understood that. We can write it is understood that O, L means it is understood that if twice or thrice or 4 times elements are exist, that one we are writing only 1 times in roster form. For example, if I take another one, that is M, A, T, H, E, M, A, T, I, C, S. Mathematics is a set, if I consider, and this set in roster form we can write M, T, H, A how many times we get? 2 times, but we can't write 2 times, we can write only 1 times. And T how many times we get? 2 times, we can write only 1 times. M, A, T, H, E. M also we get 2 times, only we can write. Next, I, C, S. This is how we can represent. If the word, that is elements, are existing 2-3 times, we can write only 1 time in roster form. Okay, elements are not repeated. Next, I will take examples. The example is mentioned. Which of the following are sets? Which of the following? Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. First one, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with letter M. Solution. What is mentioned? Collection of all the months. Months we know that January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. But here mentioned collection of all the months of a year beginning with letter M. There are 2. That is, one is March. Correct. Another one is month May. These are the 2. If I say another one person, we are also saying same answer. Beginning with letter 2 months are there. One is March, another one is May. Means it is a well defined. Therefore we say that it is a set. Therefore we can say that it is a what? Set. Because we have mentioned which of the following are set. Justify your answer.